Influencers are making more than bankers without wearing suits or working 9 to 5. And why are this suddenly happening? It's all about stablecoins and investing through TikTok ads. Today, I'll be diving into the shocking trend. How influencers are quietly turning crypto, social media, and attentions into millions. This isn't just a trend. It's the future of finance, and you need to understand how to ride the wave and you don't get left behind. Let's talk about the rise of influencer, which is known as Finfluencer. Over 40% of Gen Z and millennials now get financial advice from social media. Yes, you heard me right. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Short are the new Wall Street. But here is the twist: many of these influencers are now partnering with crypto projects, sponsoring fintech apps, and even launching their own tokens or stablecoins. These creators are not just making content, they are creating entire financial ecosystem, and the money is flowing in very fast for them. Now let's talk about stablecoin as the new money maker. Big banks like Citi and Bank of America are rolling out stablecoins, but some influencers are getting paid in stablecoins or using them to build their own loyalty program. Why stablecoins offer fast payments, no border restriction, lower transaction fees than our normal traditional bank. Imagine launching an ebook or course, and people around the world can pay you in seconds. No paper drama, no bank holding your phone. TikTok ad revenue jumped 50% this year, and they are pushing search ads where users look up and how to invest and make money. And boom, your affiliate links show up. Influencers are monetizing product placements on crypto wallets, stock apps, building tools, affiliate programs, paid collaborations, creator marketplace. The key isn't just going viral, it's going strategic. Creators who miss value plus monetizations are winning now. Now let's talk about the dark side of it all. They say not all is golden. There are growing concerns about unregulated financial advice, pump and dump scams, fake giveaways with stablecoins wallets. More regulation is coming, and the SEC is already watching. That's why smart influencers are registering businesses and building transparent brands. How can you take advantage of this trend to make money? Talk directly to your audience. Here is what you can do today. Start learning basic content creation. Pick a niche like budgeting, investing, crypto, side hustle. Sign up for affiliate program like Binance, Coinbase, or budgeting app. Learn to run low-cost TikTok ad, boost SEO using keywords like how to save thousands fast. Consider accepting stablecoins for your product or service. You don't have to be an expert, just one step ahead of your audience and be transparent about what you are doing. Influencers are becoming the new bank. Stablecoins are now the dollar, and attention is the new gold. This is not just about hype, it's about opportunity. The question is, are you going to be a viewer or a value creator? Like this video if you learn something new. Subscribe for more money smart content and grab my free influencer starter pack below with tools, templates, and affiliate programs you can join today. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Chioma, bold and true, sharing the light.